Hello everyone and welcome to Storytime with Miss Trevino. Today's story is called The Crayons Book of Colors. Let's go ahead and read and see what happens. Can you name the colors of Duncan's crayons? This is red. Red crayon has colored strawberries, hearts, apples, a fire engine, and Santa Claus. This is purple crayon. Purple crayon has colored a dragon and some grapes. This is beige crayon. Beige crayon only colors wheat. This is gray crayon. Gray crayon has colored a rhino, hippo, and an elephant. Oh, and a baby penguin. This is white crayon. Can you see him? White crayon has colored a white cat in the snow. This is black crayon. Black crayon has colored beach balls and rainbows. This is green crayon. Green crayon has colored a dinosaur, a tree, a frog, and a bug. Oh, and recycling crocodiles. This is yellow crayon. Yellow crayon has colored the sun. This is orange crayon. Orange crayon has also colored the sun. This is blue crayon. Blue crayon has colored an ocean, clouds, rain, and a river. This is pink crayon. Pink crayon has colored a princess, but would like to color a monster, and a dinosaur, and a cowboy. This is peach crayon. Peach crayon hasn't decided what to draw yet. Look! Duncan has colored a new picture. Can you name the colors? The end. All right, boys and girls, so that was our story. So remember, when we are doing our story map, we are doing quality work and we are also coloring our pictures. So at the top right here, we are going to write our name. The title of the book is The Crayons Book of Colors. The characters, here you can draw all the different kinds of crayons. In the setting, you can draw them outside because they were outside when they were drawing the dinosaurs. You can draw them, you can draw the blue crayon because he was in the river, so you can draw the river. So in the beginning, middle, and end, you can actually draw any color you want. At the beginning, you can draw the red crayon. In the middle, you can draw the white crayon. And at the end, you can draw all the colors together, however you like. All right, boys and girls, so that is it for our story map. I hope you all enjoyed and see you next time.